Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's video we have many wild animal and farm animals whose rescue all of these sea animal. So let's start the video. Our first animal is horse. Horses like to eat hay. A young horse is called a foal. Horses breathe through their nose. Second animal is duck. Most duck eggs hatch within 28 days. And the next animal is hippopotamus. Hippopotamuses can live for up to 50 years in the wild. And the next animal is the beautiful animal cow. Cows are actually good swimmers. Cows can gum you but can't bite because they do not have front upper teeth. Next animal is panda. Pandas can swim and even climb trees. And the next animal is the desert animal camel. Camels store water in their blood. And the next animal is goose. These birds are equally at home on the water, on the land, or in the air. And the next animal is rooster. Roosters make sure their hens eat before they do. Next animal is zebra. There are 3 extant species of zebra. And the next animal is the barking animal dog. Most dogs can learn over 160 words. And the next animal is giraffe. Giraffes are found in the dry savannas of Africa. And the next animal is moose. The flap of skin under a moose chin is called a bell. Moose are also called rubber-nosed swamp donkeys. Next animal is white tiger. On average, the big kid weighs 450 pounds, about the same as 8 10-year-old kids. And our next animal is the king of the jungle, lion. Female lions are the main hunters. Next animal is camel. Camel milk is incredibly nutritious. And the next animal is panther. Black panthers are large felines that come from the big cat family. They have strong and flexible bodies, long tails which give them good balance, and they are powerful hunters with sharp teeth and claws. And they are powerful hunters with sharp teeth and claws. Next animal is horse. Horses like to eat hay. A young horse is called a foal. Horses breathe through their nose. And now we rescue all these animals one by one. So this is our today's video. I hope you fully enjoyed this video. Please subscribe the channel.